just in here at McCabe's Mitsubishi Deno Road, Drogheda. This 2010 Isuzu D-Max 4-wheel drive double cab pickup. Finished in black with 16-inch alloy wheels, rear canopy, tow bar, 3-litre turbo diesel, LS spec, side step, 5 seats. This D-Max has electric windows, electric retractable mirrors, cruise control with speed limiter, 5-speed gearbox, manual air conditioning, 4-wheel drive. This Jeep has done 201,480 kilometers, is currently DOE'd till August of this year. This D-Max is also currently taxed. In October, comes with front fog lights. This Jeep is ready for some work. So if you want a 2010 Isuzu D-Max double cab, contact us here at McCabe's Mitsubishi, Deno Road, Drogheda.